of men for choice. And Liz, I want to start by playing some of what the new conservative justices actually said under oath at their confirmation hearings. Take a look.
Senator, again, I would tell you that Roe versus Wade, decided in 1973, is a precedent in the United States Supreme Court. It has been reaffirmed, so a good judge will consider it as precedent of the United States Supreme Court, worthy as treatment of precedent like any other.
This is a precedent that's been reaffirmed many times over 45 years, including in Planned Parenthood versus Casey, where they specifically considered whether to overrule and reaffirmed and applied all the stare decisis factors. So that importantly became precedent on precedent in this context.
As Richard Fallon from Harvard said, Roe is not a super precedent because calls for its overruling have never ceased, but that doesn't mean that Roe should be overruled. It just means that it doesn't fall on the small handful of cases like Marbury versus Madison and Brown versus the board that no one questions anymore.
I mean, what's your reaction to the fact that it appears that they didn't tell the truth there based on this decision today? That is contradictory to what they said under oath at their confirmation list.
Yeah. 3 Supreme Court justices lied under oath. That means this is a devastating day for America. It's a devastating day for democracy. It's a devastating day for people who love and care about women and care about survivors, people who care about privacy, people who care about contraceptives, people who have sex. I know many men enjoy sex with women. It's also a bad day for them as well. And it's a sad day for the right, I would say as well, because what we're seeing right now play out is not what the majority of Democrats want. It's also not what the majority of Republicans want. That's why Fox News is kind of burying this story today. If you do tune into Fox News instead of MSNBC right now, what you'll see is them sort of talking about a celebration that this is good, but also this isn't going to change much. So the right knows that this is bad. There's no red state where overturning Roe had a majority. So they're setting themselves up for an uphill battle when it comes to the midterms. And it's important for us to keep talking about that this is not what the majority of Americans want.